Hey friends, it's Miss Leslie, and I know you guys can't see my face, but today we're just gonna we're outside because we're gonna do a quick little science experiment, and it's gonna get a little bit messy, so I didn't want to be inside because I didn't want to clean up too much. So if it gets on the pavement or on the ground, that's okay. Just make sure if you're gonna do it inside somewhere where you can make a little bit of a mess. And we're just gonna make actually really cool exploding baggies. So you're gonna need some vinegar. So you're gonna need 1 whole cup because you're gonna have 2 baggies. So you need half a cup for one baggie and half of a cup for another baggie, okay? So you're gonna need vinegar, water, baking soda, some food coloring. I have blue and I have pink, but you can use whatever colors you'd like. And you don't have to do 2 baggies. You can do 1 baggie if you'd like. I just wanted you guys to see 2 different colors because it's really cool. And then some measuring cups as well. And you're gonna need 2 pieces of tissue, and it works best if you use toilet paper because it's a little bit thinner, or if you have thin tissue, then you can use that, okay? So you're gonna go ahead with your baking soda first, and you're gonna get 3 tablespoons, okay? 3 whole tablespoons of baking soda. Okay, so I'm gonna, watch me put it down here. 1, 2, right in the center. Okay, and the third one, 3. You're gonna go ahead and you're gonna just fold it up. Okay, do the sides first and then the ends like a little pocket. Okay, so you get like a little envelope or a little pocket to make sure none of it comes out of anywhere, okay? And then just set it down. And you're gonna do that with your other one too. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and then you're gonna need vinegar, and you're gonna need more vinegar than water because we want the vinegar to react with the baking soda. That's going to fill the baggie with air, and then it's going to make it pop. It's fun to look at. Okay, so you're going ahead, and I folded that one up too. Okay, and then you're going to put your liquids, okay, your liquids inside of your baggies. So here you're going to do 1/2 of a cup. Okay, or it looks like this. You guys see that? It's a 1/2. A 1/2. It's 1/2 of a cup of vinegar. Now be careful you don't mix up your vinegar with your water because they're both clear and look the same. Okay, smell it. You can smell the one that's vinegar. Or you can write on your cup 1 vinegar so you don't get mixed up. So here I'm putting 1/2 of a cup of vinegar. Okay, and 1/4 of a cup, that's the smaller one. It has a 1/4, 1/4 of a cup, a 1/4, 1/4 of a cup of water. And then you're gonna add your food coloring as well. So I'm gonna do blue in 1. Okay, you can swish it around so it mixes. And then you're gonna do the same with your other one. So you're gonna do 1/2 of a cup of vinegar, okay? All my vinegar into your baggie. Just be careful you don't spill it. You need all of the vinegar in there. Okay, and 1/4 of a cup, 1/4, sorry guys, 1/4 of water. Okay, you can set those aside. And then I'm gonna add my pink food coloring into this one. Okay. Switch that one around so it turns pink. And if you do both colors together, pink and, look, you can actually see it. It turns purple. How cool is that? Own little science experiment on its own. If you had baggies that had yellow and green, you could get blue, or if you had red and yellow, you could get orange, right? So it's two different ones. So now you have to make sure that after you put your baking soda in there, you zip it really tight, because if the air is escaping, then they won't pop, okay? So let's see if this works out. And remember, sometimes science experiments work and sometimes they don't. You can do them over and over again to see if then it works better. If you have lots of baggies and baking soda tissue at home, you can try it different times. You can try it with different colors. Maybe you can add more vinegar. Maybe if you add more vinegar, it works better and less water, or more baking soda. So you can do it over and over as many times as you'd like to see the different results that you get. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put it in there. And remember, zip it up tight. Oh, there it goes. Careful, careful with it. Oh, there it went. And now you just got a fizzing, fizzing, fizzy, fizzy mess. Okay, and now let's try the pink. Okay, so make sure your baking soda is nice and wrapped up. And we're gonna put it inside of our pink one. Okay, and zip it up nice and tight. And let's see that one. See if that one goes. Oh, it seems like that one didn't go. Maybe we had air escaping. Or maybe we didn't have enough vinegar in that one. Right? Let's try. Oh, there you go. Nope, that one didn't pop. I think some air must have been escaping through here. But we had the blue one that popped, and we had the pink one that didn't pop. And that's okay. We can use a different color and try it again. But you got to see one that worked. So remember, I told you, you have to zip it up real nice and tight. If not, it's not gonna work. We had air coming out of one side, so that one didn't pop because the air wasn't caught in there. So make sure you zip it up nice and tight, and then you try it with the different colors, okay? And you can mix the blue and you can mix the pink, and then you can have a purple one. Remember, there's never any right or wrong. Science experiments are always trials and errors. You can do it as many times as you like, as long as you have the materials for it. So go ahead and have fun. Just remember, and it's okay if you make a mess, just as long as you always clean up your mess, okay? So if you try it, go ahead and take pictures. Let me see how it turns out to see if your baggies pop or not. Have lots of fun with it. Try it lots of times. And that's it. We'll see you guys again tomorrow for Circle Time. Love you guys.